This is the American Hardwoods ELITE collection. It's a gorgeous line that is handcrafted, selecting only the finest pieces of wood, crafting them into unusual shapes with dual-tone finishes. After the initial milling process, it's then sanded again by hand to get a very smooth, incredibly soft touch to the frame. And then it's finished and painted by hand, where the painted elements are integrated to come up with something really special. We're launching 16 different moldings in 5 different shapes. This is truly art holding art. The artistry that goes into the crafting and the selection and the finishing, the collaborative nature of the work by the team, and then custom cut and hand built for each customer on demand. This is artistry and craftsmanship at its finest.